In this video, I'm going to explain how typography works inside of Flexi. First things first, if you go over to the app embeds area, you will notice that we have this typography app embed. We can adjust our heading font sizes, so heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then also our paragraph. And we have a small paragraph, default paragraph, and a large paragraph. Now, if we go over to our section here and click into a heading, we'll notice that we actually have these sizes display over here. So we have a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5. And the same thing with our description here. We have a default, a small, and a large text option. Now, I understand that sometimes you'll want to add custom text, and we might not necessarily know the size that we don't want a standard size necessarily. So we can actually use a text block, and that text block can be found over here. And once we add in that text block, and I'm just going to drag it up and over the button, we'll notice that we have our font sizes available to us. So we can adjust the font size to, let's say, 48 if we want to drag it up, and then we can adjust our mobile font size as well. Now, since we are making font size fairly variable for this text block, we may want it to be different, heading tags for SEO reasons. So we can actually set it to a heading 2, heading 4, paragraph, H1, and so much more. Hopefully you found this video useful for how text works, and also feel free to check out the documentation on Flexi to learn more about typography and making text adjustments.